Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, that he must say that we are in this situation because there's nobody to blame.
Imagine.
He has stated that outright, without any shame, that this economy is on the deathbed because there's nobody to blame. Is it in order? Is it in order? Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, I want to state here very clearly, we have a problem of denial. Our colleagues on opposition have not accepted the wrongdoing up until now. Up until now. I'm standing here, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, amazed that we have people that can lie. We have people that are hypocrites. Hypocrites. They are not accepting wrongdoing and failure up until now. Mr. First Speaker, their wrongdoing has put DPP in a very difficult situation. They paralyzed this economy. DPP is trying to resuscitate this patient, to give it life. And they are not appreciating the good efforts and the good work by DPP to bring this patient back to life. My fellow land nurse doctor there should know much better that they mess this economy. They must accept and apologize to this country. They owe an apology to this country. They must. They must.
Thank you.
They must.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Order to my right. Thank you, Honourable Member.
Let me finish, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir. No.
Thank you, Honourable Member.
Can I finish?
You have made your submission.
Can I finish?
That I will allow you.
Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir. It is annoying. It is annoying that up until now they have not accepted failure. It is annoying. It is annoying that we are punishing innocent citizens because of their poor performance.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.